Hi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to gap a spark plug using a spark plug gap tool. And I got two different kinds. I'm going to show you what the difference is. Both of these show how to measure in inches on the front. And if you go to the back, okay, it'll show you how to measure the gap in millimeters. Okay. Okay, the difference between these two is the hole right here. This is the hole on this one is called a gap opener. If your gap on your spark plug, okay, is too small right here, you can use your gap opener to open it. And this one's a little bigger than this one right here. This one's got a little flat area in it right here where you can put your electrode in here, and you can open your gap right here. Okay, this one really doesn't have it. It is one in there, but it's not made like this one. But you see the difference between the two, but they're basically the same thing. Okay, this is my new spark plug that's supposed to be going in it. This is a platinum spark plug, and it's supposed to be gapped at 0.44. So let me take one of these and try to gap it and see where it's gapped at. Okay, this one's gapped at 0.50. That's not where we want to be at. We want to be at 0.44. Okay, so we want to close it. Okay, the best way to close the gap on this one is either you can get the gap, this right here, you can press down on it, or you can tap on it like that, and it'll close it. Okay, but just make sure not to damage the threads or damage the electrode right here or the ceramic part right here. Okay. Okay, this is one of the old spark plugs that came out. This is a double platinum. I'm going to take one of these spark plug gaps and I'm going to check the gap on this one. Okay, this one is too big. It's gapped at 0.51, and that's not where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be at 0.44. So this one needs to be regapped. Okay, here's the new spark plug. It took me a few minutes, but what I did is I got the spark plug and I pushed it up against this right here, put some pressure on it, and I was able to get it to 0.44. So what I did is the correct way to do it. So let's check it and see where the gap is on it. Okay, and it is right where it's supposed to be, 0.44, right there. Okay, so that's basically how do you use a spark plug gap tool.